Welcome to another episode of The Wonderful World of Compost, Chapter 27, How to Get More Waste in Less Space. In today's environmentally conscious times, composting is a growing industry that shows no signs of slowing down. All across the country, millions of tons of waste are being converted to nutrient-rich compost. But what about you? Your goal is to get the greatest compost value out of your all-too-limited supply of real estate. But how? The answer is here, in the new CT1010TX compost turner from Vermeer. This machine is a modern-day marvel that answers your everyday composting questions, like, how can I introduce more oxygen into my compost piles? How can I get more compost per square foot? And how can I make my operator more efficient? The secret is the exclusive elevating face technology, and here it is in action. See how it lifts and tumbles the compost material, allowing oxygen-free access into the pile, where it enhances the decomposition rate. But let's take a closer look. There's another benefit at work here. The CT1010TX is using the conveyor option to turn a continuous stack of compost. No need for windrow aisles. This machine lets you cover most of the processing area. Using the CT1010TX, you can pack 3 to 4 times more material in the same space as conventional windrow composting. The CT1010TX has lots of other swell features. Let's start with this one, the Smart Track Dual Track Propulsion System. Sound high-tech? It is. This system automatically slows or stops the tracks based on engine loading, maximizing the use of available horsepower. In addition, the dual tracks offer more traction than wheeled units and produce less ground pressure too, so they're ideal in both paved and non-paved compost sites. For optimal efficiency, a single switch activates the conveyor 3 seconds ahead of the elevating face. This prevents unwanted plugging at the conveyor, which costs precious time to clean out. The CT1010TX also features 2-speed ground drive. You can breeze along at 3.2 miles an hour between turning passes, but you'll also have complete control when you need to slow it down for wet and heavy material. Vermeer has included other time-saving features on the CT1010TX. The hydraulic reversing fan changes directions automatically to clear debris from the radiator screen and minimize the possibility of overheating. How's that for 21st century efficiency? Well, that's all the time we have on this episode of The Wonderful World of Compost. To recap, the Vermeer CT1010TX compost turner stacks more waste in less space. And you can always make a case for less wasted space in your place. Join us again next week, won't you?